So hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see about ITOM. So what is ITOM? Which is IT Operation Management. Which is IT consists of so much of systems, servers, and so much of assets, and there are so much of assets in the sense CI, which is configuration item, kind of routers, switches, and ports, and what are the things? The server and virtual machines, laptops, and computers, and much more things. So these are all counts under which is IT, which is IT assets, right? So for tracking those complete thing, we need we need to track every asset of the organization, right? For that, we need what is the kind of thing. So we need some tool to gather the information about the specific asset. Is this currently alive or not? Is it, everything is up to date for that, or else what are the name we have been derived for the asset? It's still consisting on the same thing or not, or else that asset has been updated or not, or what are the things been installed in that asset. So for that we need to get the information of the assets of the organization, right? So for that we're using which is discovery to gather the information about uh, the assets in the organization. So in this item, which is uh, IT operation management, which is as the biggest, which is playing biggest vital role in the ServiceNow industry. So for that, we need to do a complete discovery for the daily basis or hourly basis. Or have been in many organizations they have been using, which is ITOM for which is for maintaining their assets. Assets is different and CA is different. So asset comes under financial point of view, and the CI, which is comes under what can it be? It is a CI comes under uh, in the which is it should be a technical name for that. So like that. So configuration item. So in this technical point of view, we used to call it as a CI, and in the financial point of view, we used to call it as asset. Okay. So for that, to track that asset or CI, we need discovery. So that's how the discovery works here, and the discovery is basically connected with one of your organization mid server, which that mid server is connected to your entire network, and it pulls the details of the CI with the help of mid server. So this is how the discovery works. Okay, so let's keep it that in mind. We'll discuss what is ITOM has the basic part. So in next upcoming thing, we used to diving into discovery. For that, I have to getting into directly discovery. Before that, I thought that it is more important. What is ServiceNow ITOM? So that is more important thing. Why we used to do a discovery like that, right? So let me dive into that. So reality of modern IT operation. So why we use IT operation management? See, um, in this infrastructure, there are so much of blind spots, right? If you don't track any asset, it might be it might be went wrong, right? They might be stolen, they might be consumed as a different manner, they have been which is misused to the personal item, personal things like that. It will be misused, right? It will be misguided for your organization asset, right? That is completely it's not good. So to tracking the complete CI, so this is how the IT operation works. And apart from that, it is the See, um, you may get just you may get in your organization they may be working around 500, 1,000, or 2,000, or more than that. So you maybe get thousands of alerts regarding the network is down, the server is down, the network is issue, and my Wi-Fi is not working. The router has some issues, and somehow the ports are not connected. Like that, there is plenty of issues will be arrived. So for that, you'll be you have to go to the you have to scan the complete thing and you have to manually check that, and you will be clarifying all the things, and you'll be check down the entire thing. You'll be working on it for a maximum of 8 to 5 hours, right? So that thing will be which is consolidated, and that will be minimized in this operation management, which is using a discovery. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we can able to find the root cause within a fraction of time, right? Within we can make it as simple as if you're doing manually is around 8 hours, it will take about half an hour to 45 minutes to resolve this, right? There is more easier way, and you just making wise of your time, right? So this is how it works. And what is the layer between in the ITOM orchestration? Yeah. It is a unified operation, which is uh, it is comes under one single infrastructure, which is uh, it is comes under your network, your organization network. So it's completely secure. And what are the what are the blueprint that has been organized using which is CSDM mapping. So it will be everything will be and uh, captured and stored in the CMDB, right? So you'll be having complete list of assets or CIs in your CMDB, and we used to have so much of a embedded MLI, which is A based. We use A based, which is resolving fixes. Will be showing that. So that will be comes under it will be automatically resolve your the issues have been identified. So what are the pillars of ITOM? See, I say that the visibility, which is if is there is your, for example, you have a router, so that router has to be first identified, right? So it should be which is discovered first. So it should be discovered and mapped to the a segregated. It should be mapped under CMDB. So first visibility, and the second one, which is health, which is it's all about AI operations, which is comes under, and event management, which uh, is that router is alive, or what kind of thing, or for example, if it's the server, if you can take server, so is that server is fine, which the is that server is actively fine, or it's in a downtime, or what kind of the health of the CI. So we have to see the health of the CI, which should be optimized, which is it becomes under it should be governed by the CMDB, right? Um, it comes under data, and it should be which is governed by the CMDB, right? And the governance, what is governance? uh, the remediation and the automation. If the router or server it has been found as a duplicate, or it came again and again, it's not updating and creating new thing, means it should be remediated, which is it should be altered and it should be updated, and it should not. We should check that the duplicate should not be created in that CMDB. So this is how we can able to use the governance. And what is discovery and mapping? So first of all, the discovery is we can able to make it as an automation. So we can set a discovery for daily basis, an on-demand basis, or periodically, a weekly, a monthly, or whatever we want. If we want, we can able to set a discovery about even within 5 minutes or half an hour, or 1 hour, even though we can do it. So this is how we can set a discovery, we can schedule a discovery, and using which is service mapping will be used for that, and we can able to analyze that what are the things have been discovered, and how it can be discovered, and using so much of patterns, sensors, and probes. So like that, we can able to discover the segregated, which is CIs, and the health. What is health? So we can able to track the health of the CI, which is if the server is good or not, and if the CI is created, and if there is any duplicate has been created or not. Like that, we can able to track that. So the health of the CI has been, which is a set of CI will be comes under one table, right? So if you're going to search for a switches, it comes under CMDB underscore switches. So like that, in this complete table is you will be getting the health of that. The 99% of the switches are correctly running, and the two switches having duplicate CI, or one switcher is not active, like that. So if there is any issue in that, it will be automatically create a ticket, and it will be assigned to a concerned person. So this is how the which is discovery works, and get the pull the data from that, and you'll be having that in your CMDB. And yeah, the governance and the automation, which is uh, it is completely under cloud. So you can cut off the complete spendings of your organization using what are the thing, um, which is you can able to cut down the third parties. You can cut down the third party thing, and you can make the ServiceNow item as a main source of discovery, and like that. So even though developers which is can able to automate the request using this discovery. Eh, I have previously said that, right? If the router got affected, if the router got affected, then the request has been automatically created and assigned to the concerned person. So this is how it will be work accordingly. So the automated process, which is uh, without zero human interaction, it is more effective, right? So this is how the governance and cloud automation works. And the ITSM and the ITOM, which is ITSM, which is IT service management, and which is and ITOM and ITSM is interconnected, because if any issues arrive, you will be raising a ticket. You will be raising an incident. So that incident has been worked in somewhat, and uh, that person should be resolved that, and after that you will be getting a receiver notification regarding your incident, and this person has been working on your incident, and they will be resolved that. So before that, ITOM will be finding that this services has been get issue, and that issue will be resolved by another 20 or 30 minutes. So that will find that issue and assign that problem to respected team, and that team will be resolving the issue within half an hour. So instead of getting request from instead of getting which is problem has been done from done in your instance or any kind of thing from the user, the item will find the issue and pull which is and assign that issue to a concerned person to rectify and resolve that. So even though the issue arrives, it will be solved in next half an hour to 1 hour. So that issue will be cannot be which is uh, drive to user unless he turned he find the issue within the half an hour, means they will be raising a question, raising instead. So in that meanwhile, they no one has it arrived which is in raise the question, means the item is automatically find that issue and assign the issue to a concerned team, and they will be working on it, they will be completing in half an hour. So there is no issue in the user side. So this is how item and ITSM works, which is the modern stack, which is yeah. See, from the Kubernetes, Docker, or microservices, it is automatically pulls the information and loads the data into the CMDB without manual interaction. So, with third-party connection, uh, item will be which is used to track the complete datas of the CI and retrieve the data and load it into CMD. So this is how we can track. This is how we can able to track that the um, CIs from the third party. So what is generative AI operation? So we can able to get the summarization of that CI with the AI operations, which is AI ops. So, what is the outcome and operational relation at scale? So, one unified platform. There is no manual updates, and there is no manual interaction in it, and we have 24/7 proactive monitoring. See, I have previously said we can set a discovery for half an hour, 1 hour, even a day or a day or week, a month, whatever we want. We can able to schedule a discovery without without any manual interaction. It will go and get the details and update the CMDB. So this is how it works, and so from this we can able to find that ITOM how effectively useful in every organization. And so if you have any doubts regarding ITOM, you can definitely ping below. I'll definitely clarify your doubts. And so thank you so much for watching, and upcoming videos will be grateful for discovery and ITOM services. So thank you so much.